Okay, this is the elevators of the Associated Bank building in Rochester. There's two sets. Those there, and then the one here. It's in the basement level, so we'll call it up. There's ESL smoke there. It's an older one. Those have been retrofitted. We'll get to those. Oh, I thought I was gonna stop at one, but anyways, here's your cab view. They create fluorescent lights and just your normal panels like this. Let's go to the basement. It's an old Otis. And you basically have the same type of indicator in here. Here's your micro in here too. Now listen. Combination view and bell. Whoa, it's dark out here. I usually have these lights on, but that one's dead or dying, and this one's already dead. So, flashlight. So up here, there's a Gentex detector. And now you can get a nice little view of the indicator. So anyways, if you go over here, there's this area. And there's an exit stairway. Now, a couple years ago I had a nightmare. It was actually during a stretch of a couple nights where I had some. Anyways, it wasn't this building, but it was a transition like this between concrete floor and carpet. So anyways, I was with Mom, and I was right behind her. So we were coming into the carpeted part. Suddenly on the carpet there was a little teeny black dot. So for some reason I spun around, and Mom said, "Yep, it's a pixel." Suddenly I hear like something being ripped from the carpet. Then there was a hit my shoulder. So I guess, not sure if Mom pulled it from the carpet or it pulled itself from the carpet. But it bounced and hit my shoulder. I'm assuming it was the quote pixel that hit me. Anyways, in here you've got your snack and Pepsi vending machines. And then this is like a multi-use area, I guess. You can hear music from up there, speaker up there. So anyways, anyways, we go on this hallway here. There's your exit sign. And another Gamewell fiber tone. See? And the valve strobe. But anyways, you say, where's the exit sign there? Where is it? Well, here's kind of a fail, if you will. See, it's right there. So instead of putting it, here, they just put it there. As you can see, the ceiling angles up, so yeah, I would have put it here. But whichever. Anyways, let's go to the stairway. There's the panels here. Notifier. See, it's right up here. See those scroll around, and then for full elevator system, that. So 1 p.m. It's ahead. It's fast, but at least it's the right hour. So anyways, let's come out here. On the main floor, here's the other elevators. Last, I think were modernized. I was here one day when they were doing it. Like this one was like flashing like *1 or something like that. I'll have a video of it. Get you a cab view here. I guess the controls are over here. So let's go to 3. This is that Schumacher one. There's the indicator. So this area is pretty much plenty of stuff. So it's a little nicer, and they've got spectral alerts here. Spectral classics. Now I had another dream about up here, and this is just a normal dream, not a nightmare, of course. Like, right in this area here, there was a big, huge, like, rec room. So you had your windows over there, and had like a big screen TV, a seating area, pool table, ping pong table, and they had like a little kitchen and vending machines. So anyways, let's continue on. With the Spectra. Now wait, ramp. There's your elevator sign there. Now there's more elevators over here. This may sound weird, but the smell right here smells like my dad's car, the interior. There's your police station, BG. Emergency button. Anyway, the elevators are right over here. Let's see. Before we get to those elevators, detector there, and the spectral or ceiling mount here. So anyways, here's these elevators. It serves the ramp and the skyway area, which is down there. Down. So anyways, go down. The spectral work. Somebody's gonna be this one. Cab view of this one. One. There's the panel over here. What the heck? Anyways, it's a notifier FU100. Focus phone. The system is all normal. Notifier fire systems. Pitway company. Shut it down. This doesn't go to the one. Where's this one? It didn't have this button here, because this is the only one that serves the area over here. The area. Anyways, you may recognize that because that's the hall of the inn where I started that video. And right over there, is where I started this video. And right here is where I'm going to end it. Thank you for watching.